Hey lovely people, in today's video I'm going to show you how to achieve this classic wet hair look as well as this smoky brown eye look. All you have to do is just keep on watching. So we're going to start with the skincare first because it's very important to prep and prime your skin before you apply any sort of makeup. So I'm going to actually start off with this Quench Mon Cherry Brightening Face Mist. So next up, I'm actually using my Vichy Mineral 89 Hyaluronic Serum. You can instantly see how the skin actually has a very nice dewy glow. So this is something which I really swear by, especially the serum. So just make sure your previous product has dried up before you apply the next one. While doing your skincare, always make sure that you go from the thinnest consistency of product to the thickest one. Glow Brightening Essence from, this is from My Glam Cosmetics. Put this on. You can use a brush to apply this as well. Alright. So as you can see that my skin looks a little dewy or glowy. Next one will be my Bobbi Brown face base. Just a little bit. If your skin is actually very nourished and hydrated from within, you will see that your foundation will not be sapping up moisture from your skin. That's why some people see that their foundation separate on their skin or it doesn't sit that well. That's because your skin is not well prepped and your foundation is actually drawing out moisture from your skin. So it is very, very essential that you prep your skin well before you apply any sort of makeup. So this is the NYX Studio Perfect Photo Loving Primer. It does its job pretty well. So let me just prime one side of the face and show you what I mean. So this side of my face has been primed and you can already see the difference. So it looks more smoothened out as compared to this side of the face. So I'm going to be applying that liquid illuminator now. NARS concealer. This is in the shade Caramel. Applying it on the areas where I have a little bit of discoloration. So just these areas. You can immediately see the difference between the two eyes. So I've spot concealed areas under my eyes, a little bit on my cheek area over here, and a little bit on the sides of the upper lip area. As I want a very sheer coverage foundation, so I'm going to be using the Maybelline Dream Urban Cover Foundation. Going in with these two P. Louise colored bases, which I'll be using as liquid blush. Scotty Airspun Translucent Extra Coverage Powder is one of my, believe it or not, it's one of my favorite setting powders. Just use a little bit underneath my eyes. And it immediately filters out the pores. You will see a major difference. I bought this from Amazon. So I have powdered this side of my face. Look at the under eye area. And then this side of the face I'm yet to powder. So obviously this is a bit more shiny. But can you see? The under eye lines do not appear that prominent when you apply this powder. So I'm going to contour, but very lightly Not on the areas that have blush, but rather the perimeters of my face and also my nose. Then the sides of my eyes, wherever you feel the bone structure really, just to give it a more lifted look. Alright, so the next step would be actually to do the brown smoky eye. I know the part that you guys have been waiting for, so let's get into it. So as usual, we are starting out with the P. Louise Rumour base 2, and I'm just buffing it out with a sponge now. This is just done to give the eyeshadow a better payoff. The next thing which I'm going to be using is the P. Louise paint in the shade Barbe. I think that's what it's called. It's a very nice brown paint, and this will give a very good color payoff at the get-go. So I'm just buffing out the edges with a clean brush. And then I'm going in with a lighter cinnamon shade of brown. Now is the time for doing the eyeliner, but I'm going in with an eyeshadow instead to do the liner, and then I'll also be smudging out that part. With the lip shade as well. Now we need to just fix our hair and come back. You can see I have partitioned my hair from the middle. My hair is naturally wet now because I've just taken a bath. Now what I need to do is just wet the front portions of the hair. So I've taken some water in a spray bottle and I'm just going to put it on the front sections of my hair so that they still seem a bit damp. I did not use any sprays really because I wanted to still appear very natural. And that, my friends, is the completed look. Hope you like this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up and I will see you in my next video.